This is the Kentucky Police Department activating the Amber Alert system for the counties of Barron and Warren, Kentucky. A child has been abducted from the town of Three Springs and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Mason Vanzetti. He is an 11-year-old white male, 5 feet 2 inches tall, 110 pounds, with blonde hair and hazel eyes, last seen wearing a plain white t-shirt, blue plaid pajamas and white Crocs. Abducted by his father Jerry Lester Peeler, a 54-year-old white male, 5 feet 8 inches tall, 180 pounds with unknown color hair and blue eyes. They may be driving a charcoal gray 2005 Ford F-250 Super Duty bearing Kentucky license plate of J5Z773. If seen, call 911.